Hey, thanks for clicking on that link. Thanks for visiting my channel. Make sure you subscribe today, okay? Right now, there's a link below the video. Make sure you subscribe on that little teeny link over here on the right. You'll see it down below on the right. Go ahead and click that. Then click that bell and get the updates to your mobile phone while you're watching right now. Again, Mike Content Pro. Check out the video, watch, and click the link after below the video to get started making money. Hey, folks, Mike Content Pro. Got another proof video today. It is a good day. You can see the results I'm having with my Warrior Plus and also WCC. Money's coming in as always. But I'm going to show you something, guys. I'm going to do a little training today. I want to talk about Clickbank, okay? Clickbank is a very, very easy marketplace for people who are just getting started out and or veterans in the business. If you've been marketing for a while and you want to change up some things and start making some money with Clickbank, it's a great time right now. Clickbank is an amazing place to make money. Okay, now I've been making money with Clickbank since 2008, and it is a place that has always paid on time. It's a place that always has kept, pretty good products around for people who are looking for information mostly. They just really need something that's detailed and has a lot of resources and whatnot. And that's what you'll find in Clickbank. There's a lot of people who are Googling different questions and they just need answers, and Clickbank will provide those answers. Now they also have tangible products that they actually be shipped out to people. But everything's done for you. You don't actually have to do it. I was about to say you have to ship out, but you don't really ship out anything. You just have to get eyeballs to your affiliate link. That's the name of the game with just about any affiliate website or membership or some type of club that you're a part of. You have to make sure to get the people to your website. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I market Clickbank. Okay, and right now I'm planning on marketing some weight loss products. So what I do when I first start out is I come over here to this sidebar on the left here, and depending on what you're going to be marketing, like I said, I'm marketing weight loss, so I'm going to be looking for health and fitness and things of that nature. So you can see I already have it opened up right here, okay? And what you want to do is you want to click on the main part here, health and fitness, okay? And that'll give you everything. Now, if you know specifically what you want to do, you can go ahead and click on this part right here, like if you want exercise or diet supplement. So I rather you just keep it open because I like to look. Now, what I'll do is I'll check the gravity. Gravity is usually what I go for from high to low to make sure that what I'm trying to promote, a lot of other people are promoting. Now, sometimes depending on what I see there, I may even change up my niche because I'll kind of dig in deep to see what the niche is about. And if I feel like it's not a saturated niche and it can actually be one that can bring a lot of profits, I'll go for it. Now, weight loss, although saturated, it does still turn a pretty penny, so you can definitely get involved with it. But sometimes you'll find these kind of obscure niches that no one's really in, and you can really make some money, as far as the masses haven't joined up yet. Come down here, you see diabetes, and you see the green powder for your health, and you see some other training informational products for weight loss and whatnot. And all these are due. Any one of these are due. You see gravity is really high on these. But it seems like the main one is this red tea detox. Okay. Has a really high gravity of 220. Now, I haven't seen this late, so I imagine that this is pretty new. Red tea. So what I'll do is I'll do a little research on it. That's normally what I'll do. Come over here. See, I'm already logged in. And I'll just put in here red tea detox, and I'll see what's going on with it. We got to see a month ago, 2 weeks ago, a month ago. Okay, a month ago, so it's pretty new. You see, nothing's really older than a month, so I got it when it was on the up scale before a lot of people got in. You can see a lot of people are pushing this thing, and so if everyone's looking for this, now this might have been mentioned somewhere on some health show or something like that, and that's usually how it goes, and then it gets real popular. So I'll come back here, and one of the things I'll do, I'll try to see how many pages it is of this. This is one of the things I do as far as my research. Come back here, I'll see kind of some of the same videos, but I'll just see how many pages deep it is. That's one thing I'll do. Okay, still going on. So there's a lot of videos out there. That's what I want to see. I want to see how many videos. Sometimes they're repeats, but it can still be fresh ones. But yeah, there's a lot of videos on this thing. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go back to the beginning by clicking this part right here. Alright, and as you can see the BN, I'm actually in Vietnam right now. If you wonder what that BN is, if you come over here, you see there's 66,000 results. Okay, now when you if you're a newbie, if you're a person just starting out, even if you're like you semi you've been doing it for maybe 2 years or something, marketing for maybe a year or two, you want to kind of stay under 100,000 because it's going to take a lot of resources. Usually it's going to take money to actually rank for anything over 100,000 in the results. That means too many people. Now right now it's at a really good time, 66,000. That means a lot of these videos actually repeats when I go back, but that really shows that there's not a lot of difficulty in ranking for this keyword. Okay, so that's going to be something. You can also see the view counts are really low on these videos, and that doesn't mean there's not a lot of people looking for it. That just actually means the videos are pretty new, and but it just depends. You got to get a good thumbnail if you want to, you really want to push this this particular. Somebody bought a domain, and there's some red tea discount. That's pretty nice. And then you can kind of like check inside the channels and see what they're about, and that type of thing. Let's see what we got going on here. This person's affiliate marketer, and some other. Trying to open this up. It's taking a little while. Alright, there we go. Yeah, so they got a little channel they market to. They're doing it for a long time. You can see 6 years they've been marketing, up to a month ago. So they've been doing this for a while, which is good. And they pretty much know what they're doing. Rovalis. I used to market that too. Retvitrol. I used to market that as well. Long time ago, many years ago, many moons ago. But yeah, so it's something you can actually go after right here, simply by promoting it on YouTube. It's where I like to, of course, promote, and that's simply by making a video, making a short video, and I'm going to be discussing how you can do that. Stay tuned here for the next video, which next part where I'll be breaking down actually how to create your video and upload and everything. So I hope you enjoy part 1, and that's basically just the research and everything. And part 2, I'll be going into creating a video, and then part 3, we're going to do some keyword research and get more specific and down to the nitty-gritty. So stay tuned for that, guys, and make sure to subscribe and continue watching. It's Mike on Pro. See you soon.